Right, we are staying in Continental Beachside. Let's go take a look at the room. All right, this is our room tour. We are in the Continental, which is one of the suites that has an interior entry. So you walk immediately into the little kitchenette area with your sink, coffee maker, microwave, and shelving for all of your goodies that you can have during your stay. Down there is the actual fridge. It is a fridge and not a beverage cooler. Under the sink here is normally your trash can. And this is the main living area. Of course, themed to the 50s. There's your television. And your coffee tables. These separate, which I think is very cool. So you can get maximum drink storage from everyone that's here with you at the hotel. And this is a divider from the main living and sitting area from the sleeping area. Here are the two queen beds, of course, with that 50s theming. There I am, Mr. Nooks and Crannies. Here is Town Hall, where all the business gets done. And there is the shower, bathtub area. Dueling sinks there. There I am again. Like and subscribe. And in between the two beds, you have your nightstand. Got that retro alarm clock. Plenty of plugs by the bed so that you can charge up your phones for a day of adventure. And there's the phone. You make phone calls on that. That's all you can do. And we have another television. And we have a pool view. We requested to be close to the elevator. Never been this close. This is like the main, well, no, I guess not the main lobby. That would be the main restaurant there. Of course, you can see people coming up the ramp. And there is the pool off in the distance. And you can see Volcano Bay down there as well. Let's see here. There you go. And there is the fire pit. There's two of them. There's one there. And another one that's already been lit up and got some people enjoying it. It is a little chilly by Orlando standards. So yeah, there's the view. Not much to see over to the left there, but to the right should be pretty cool at nighttime. You can see International Drive off in the distance. And here is the closet area. Huge walk-in closet. You got additional blankets, pillows. And there's your ironing board. And there's the safe to keep things safe. Yeah, staying here for 3 nights. No particular reason other than that we can. And maybe to celebrate the end of Halloween Horror Nights and the coming of Grinchmas and the Macy's Holiday Parade. There it is, Cabana Bay Beach Resort. In addition, I'd like to point out the retro products that they have here at Cabana Bay. So you got VO5 shampoo and conditioner, and of course, Zest and soap, or excuse me, bath bar. There it is. There's the room and all the nooks and crannies. All right, looks like there hasn't been any trees or anything else substantial put up here in the main lobby just yet. But in the window dressings of the Universal Studios store, Christmas has most definitely arrived. Yeah, everybody's decked out. Got their gingerbread house on. Holiday Village. Rosebud. Some nutcrackers. Yeah. You do you. Let's see what else is going on down the line. Oh, got some holiday merchandise from Hogwarts. Like the pillow. Say hello, Amy.
Hello, Amy.
Right, let's see what else we got here. There's warmest wishes for the holidays. Get here at the Universal gift shop at Cabana Bay. Looks like we got the mean one. Some Grinch merchandise. She got her holiday dress on. This fella's decked out to the nines. And of course, plenty of Grinch merchandise in that main store here off the lobby. Oh, got the fire pit going. Retro style. And man, it doesn't get more retro than that. It's the aluminum Christmas tree. Excellent. Some more ornaments. A little Jurassic Park and Nutcracker action. And these guys are all decked out. And then, of course, they got all your holiday treats over here at the Starbucks as well, too. So, yeah, holidays slowly creeping in here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Let's go ahead to the park and see what's good over there. All right, just arriving here at the Rotunda at City Walk, and Halloween is still in full effect here. Got decorations on the fresh eats and as you head into the restrooms. So, not an overnight transformation. Walking towards the arches, and they do have a Christmas display up for Christmas at Hogwarts. Yeah, the Overnight Islands and Convention. We're going to head over into the studios first. All right, you know it's going to be a good day when you're walking through the archway. All right, we are here at the entrance of London and Diagon Alley, and this really appears to be the only part of this park that has started their decorations. You can see there's some wreaths and Christmas trees over there, and down the walk here is a bunch of wreaths and stuff. Let's go take a look. All right, again, here's the first signs of Christmas in London, Diagon Alley. Got a Christmas wreath there. And, fun fact, this is the only building that's still left from the Amity Jaws sections, Town Hall, where all the business gets done, which means it's the restrooms. Miss you, Captain Jake. Miss you real bad. apparently this building is Wyndham's. That has the Christmas trees up on that second level. Here's Leicester Square Station. They got some wreaths as well. Right here in jolly old London. All right, we have made our way over to Islands of Adventure, and they are definitely much ahead of the studios in regards to Christmas decorations. They are already all set up right here when you come into Port Adventure. Well, kids, whether you like it or not, Christmas is upon us. At least here at Seuss Landing, they are fully decked out and ready for the season of the green one, the mean one, Mr. Grinch. Of course, they do Grinchmas here, where they do a live stage retelling of How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Well, as you can see, they've already got the land already fully decked and ready to go. Here. Just so we can say we rode something, let's do the Cat in the Hat. What you know about that? No, 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 said our fish. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, call off the Marines. We're coming home. Yeah. Yeah, Cabana Bay even has their Christmas cups out. Very cool. And you can get these and refill them for your whole stay. They come in the red cup. And they come in the green cup as well too. I think it's the same design on both, just different lids. Still very festive, very fun. Cabana Bay. They also have just their traditional Cabana Bay cups, should you not want to be in a festive mood. There's the current price for such things. And our room is actually very centrally located, very close to the Bayliner Diner. And we are staying here. Tell your friends, by the way, this is not ours. We're on 5. Amos took us to the wrong floor. She wants to go to a place that we're not staying. Boo. You're staying on the 5th floor, Amy. The 5th floor. This way.
Going down.
Anyways, last one in is Rodney. I don't know that we'll be able to make it to the pool this trip, but we'll see. And again, the elevator. Literally the very first room here on your left. 4500. Let's go take a look.